Hello and welcome to HUGO'S How to Make the Perfect Blue Long. This is our take on the Long Island iced tea. The ingredients that you're going to need are tequila, gin, rum, vodka, blue curacao and Coca-Cola. You can use Diet Coke or Coke Zero. The equipment you're going to need are a Boston shaker, a cocktail strainer, a bottle opener if you've got a glass bottle, a tall glass and some ice. To begin with, we're going to take our shaker and we're going to add in our tequila. We're then going to use our gin, our rum, our vodka, our blue curacao, and we're going to add ice to this liquid. We're going to need to shake this for about 12 to 13 seconds to chill our alcohol down. When you're ready, you can take your cocktail strainer and you're going to strain down the edge of the glass into the glass so that your liquid falls to the bottom. You're then going to open your Coke, and this you're going to layer on top of your blue alcohol. And this is how you make the perfect blue long.